So what are you buying?
Outlander Sport.
Okay. The first thing I want to do is I want Andrea to tell me that she likes the vehicle and she wants to buy the vehicle. If Andrea goes, well, I'm just not sure about the color, I don't know about the equipment, I don't know about the vehicle itself, I mean, there's no sense in me presenting numbers.
Yep.
Okay? It's a losing proposition.
Yep.
I don't want to get someone to write up unless they want the vehicle. Andrea, you want the vehicle. Because I'm going to ask you in a second. Then I'm going to run through as quickly as I can without talking too fast all the cool stuff that comes with the Outlander. Now, because I don't work with many Mitsubishi stores, is it a 560 power or a 560 bumper to bumper warranty?
Yes.
And a 10100, 10100, like it's similar, it's like Hyundai and Kia?
Yeah.
Okay, what about roadside assistance? How long is it good for?
It's unlimited miles
5 years unlimited miles? Do I get Sirius radio?
for 3 months.
For
free.
3 months? Okay. All right, so that's the factory value proposition. I'm going to remind her about all that stuff. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, I would have already told her about that. I understand. Okay? Larry, does the customer always hear everything we say?
No.
Do they remember everything we say?
No.
No. Remember, the customer's probably a little tense right now because I'm about to ask her to spend $30,000. What's the customer's state when you get to write-up? Are they maybe a little tense, a little defensive? So they may not be thinking right. So we're going to help Andrea think right. And then I'm going to tack on a quick recap of the family guarantee. Now, I work with 80 stores around the country. How many of those 80 outside of this organization have a money-back guarantee?
None.
Zero. Nada. None. Do you know how strong that is? Now, every store I work with, almost, say 80% of them, have got an exchange policy. 3 or 5 days. Nobody else has a 7-day exchange policy. What fear does the exchange policy eliminate for the customer? Getting stuck with the wrong vehicle.
Yeah, buyer's remorse.
Yeah, well, buyer's remorse, getting stuck with the wrong vehicle, however you want to term it. All right? Every day in every store in this country, someone walks out without buying because they're just not sure the vehicle's right. That should never happen here. Because if the vehicle turns out not to be right, I can bring it back and exchange it. Every day, somebody walks out of a car dealership without buying because they're afraid of paying too much. I don't need to worry about paying too much here because if it turns out I paid too much, I can bring the son of a gun back and get my money back, can't I? Both of those makes it much easier for the customer to say yes. Paintless dent repair makes it easier for the customer to say yes. Cosmetic wheel repair, windshield repair,
Scratch repair.
scratch and
Key replacement.
yeah, key replacement. All those things are designed to make it easier for your customer to say yes, but if you're not reminding them, you're not doing your job. So, Andrea, thanks for your patience. All right, first things first. There is no such thing as a good deal on the wrong car. The Outlander Sport that you picked out, right color,
Yep.
right equipment,
Yep.
you love it,
Yep.
we got the right vehicle.
Yep.
Okay, please remember, this comes with a 5-year, 60,000-mile comprehensive warranty.
What?
Okay. Yes, how about that? All right, you're not going to be paying for an automobile repair for the foreseeable future. When it comes to the powertrain, the most expensive stuff, the warranty is 10 years, 100,000 miles. You've got roadside assistance for 5 years. If you had to pay for that, that'd be about $400 worth of roadside assistance. Does it come with maintenance or anything? Okay. You've got Sirius radio for 90 days. After that, it's up to you. Now, here comes the really cool part. This is going to be the most risk-free purchase of your entire life. Never will it have been easier to say yes to a purchase than this one right here, Andrea, because we have a 3-day money-back guarantee. Okay? If it turns out you think you paid too much, what did I tell you you could do?
Give me money
bring it back and get your money back. We ask that you don't put more than 150 miles on the odometer. We're going to give you a 7-day exchange policy. So basically it's a 7-day or 250-mile test drive. You decide the color's not right, equipment's not right, seat doesn't feel right, your dog just starts barking and it won't stop, it don't matter. You just let us know, bring it back, we'll let you exchange it for another. Again, we ask that you don't put more than 250 miles on the odometer, okay? You're going to get coverages that no other Mitsubishi in the city of Dallas is going to get. You're going to get paintless dent repair. The factory doesn't cover dings and dents. We're going to cover them for 1 year for you, and you can extend that coverage as well. We're going to cover cosmetic wheel repair. We're going to cover your wheels against scrapes on curbs. Both of these will keep your vehicle looking better longer, but more importantly, will increase your resale value. We've got scratch and fabric repair. You damage the paint with a little scratch, we'll buff it out for you. Spill something on the interior, we will clean it up for you if you can't get it cleaned up. Windshield repair, get a crack or a star, we'll fix that for you too. All this comes with your Outlander.